been an ugly. I'm a sexy and
Watching your girl, Aiwon-Ah, your favorite Liberian girl living here in the Philippines. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Aiwon and I'm back again with another video. If it is your first time coming across this channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think. Please subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever I'm posting another video. So I'm going for my birthday dinner. This is my outfit of the night. I'll be showing you guys more. What do you guys think of my makeup? I wanted to do something very natural, very cute, you know, very pretty. Let's go. So I just ordered my cab. It's on the way. I think it's already here. We just go down and then hit the road. Let's go. Let's see how this night is going to go. Hopefully we enjoy the night.
Special day. We're going to the VIP place. We're going to celebrate my own birthday. So excited. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I'll give you the solo. Your solo shot.
Oh, this is so cute.
Long vie. Bonne santé. Et d'argent. On est bon, la télé.
already good.
So what's so interesting about this is this is being smoked with cherry wood.
Cherry what?
Cherry wood.
Oh.
So I'm the one who mixed it because
Oh, you're the one who cooked it? You're the one who cooked.
No. I'm the one who mixed it because for the fat of the beef will be rendered to every rice. So for this one, I asked for the server to give us you more of the sauce. So we have this homemade barbecue sauce that goes with your ribs. Okay.
Thank you.
So are you good with this one?
And if you wish me bad, I swear I'm about to send her. She just love my call me love, if me bother. And if my success they disturb you, go the cover. If you know the money, no they call me no disturbance. I'm alright, check your time.
I'm here to dedicate for you. Happy birthday.